customer in our beauty parlor. So we are Danny is here for a shiny and charming eye makeup. So we will do that. So which color is the best suit here for it? I think this is the most suitable color. Hmm, amazing. Now we have to apply overlay. This is the first. Wow. Now we are applying. This is the most important thing. Now we are applying shining stars to make it shiny and looking beautiful and attractive. Good. Now we are applying the border. So black is the magic. Now we have to work on eyelashes. So we made the eyelashes golden because the color is white and red. So the golden eyelashes are the best choice.